6-year term in the Senate. Well-deserved, Senator Coco Pimentel.
Maraming salamat, Leia. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hindi na po ito campaign speech. Masasalamat na lang. And of course, maraming salamat sa magiging bagong Senate President, Senator Frank Trilon, ang aming campaign manager. Sure ball na yun. I mean, 9 plus 7 is 16. So, congratulations, sir. And thank you to all the media practitioners for giving us fair treatment. And ang pledge naman namin lahat, we will continue to be accessible to all of you. Medyo wag lang sana ngayong mga susunod na araw, wag naman mga 5 or 6:30 AM interviews. Patulugin nyo muna kami ng mga 9:30 AM, pwede na po. Nagre-regress ako sa 6:30, sir. Medyo hindi pa kaya. So please understand our situation. But we will continue to be accessible to the media. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.